Let me move this. Okay, this is novice line. So it goes down, then come out, 2 claps. Right after you clap, lift your right leg. Lift, step, turn to your left, out in, out in. Lift right leg, lift, step, turn, out, in, out. Then you walk, candle, down to your sides, clap, clap. Go right into 2 heel jumps, heel 1, and then 2 donkey jumps. Same leg, then do the other side. And then the end, step left, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, lock, step. I've got the rhythm, you've got the motion. Superman, and look to your right.